Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make your Nerf gun shoot smoke. Alright, so right here I have a Recon CS6 with a scope attachment from the Nerf Element, and I also have a laser here from the Nerf Element too. And so what you're going to do is you're going to need a gun. You can use the Recon if you'd like, but you need to have a gun where the clip goes in the bottom. You can't use a Raider because the clip goes in the side. You need the clip to go in the bottom. So you're going to load the gun, and I also have it silenced. So I will show you how it shoots now. So now when you make it shoot smoke, it'll be a lot cooler. So what you need is some flour. Or cornstarch, and that's pretty much all you really need. And a bullet. And you also need a bullet and the gun. But I'm gonna take all these other bullets out because we really don't need them. I'll leave 2 that will shoot with the flour in it. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the end of the bullet, the circle part, and put it down into the flour and get it really good in there. And just let it sit there for a while. Alright, I'm going to shoot 3.
I think you should just
get it nice down into the bottom.
take the powder and make the hole there and then poke it in.
See? It's all filled in. Now you're going to very gently place your bullets into the clip. Very gently.
Or else that will happen.
So I'm gently placing the bullets into the clip. Now, this is why you needed one that loaded in the bottom, because now you're going to take the bullets in the camera, and that they're loaded in here. You are going to hold the gun so that it's like this, and you're going to put the bullets right in. The reason this won't work with the one where the clip is coming out of the side is because all the powder will fall out. So now we're going to shoot it. And you can notice smoke is coming right out of the barrel. Thank you for watching. That's all. Bye.